Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video. In this video, I'm gonna let you guys know the ways to create a new circle on Life360. To create a new circle on Life360, I'm gonna show you the ways to do it. So now first thing, make sure that you already have an account on Life360 and log into your account. When you're logged into your account, that's gonna take you to the home page, which will look something like this. Now click on the sign in button, enter in your credential and log into your account. Now I'm gonna go ahead and enter the. Once you're logged into your account, this is how it's gonna look like. Here, press the gear icon from the top left hand side corner of your screen, and then you could see this option as circle management. Now here, what you could do is you could either go ahead and edit the circle. Here, what you could do is go ahead and click on add circle members, and next thing what you want to do is send them an invitation code, and after they accept it, then you could go ahead and create a new circle on Life360. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.